First, head to workshop.bioconductor.org, where you will be able to register and then browse and run the tutorials. Once registered, you'll be able to see information on the welcome page. Please read this information as it will help make your experience smoother. On the left-hand side, you will see a list of tutorials that we have deployed for this event. You can browse through these tutorials and launch them. Before launching a tutorial, we recommend you browse the event page, where you will find information on each tutorial, as well as videos helping you walk through the tutorials. After picking a tutorial, you should find the corresponding name on the left-hand side, then click Launch to launch your studio session. The text in the blue box will update as the workshop is launching. Once it is ready, there will be a clickable link. Clicking this link will lead you to a new tab where an RStudio session will open. Most, but not all, workshops will auto-open a starting markdown. You may browse in visual mode, where the author's markdown will be rendered. As you click the Run button on each cell block, you will see your code run in the console. If you navigate away from the tutorial and wish to recover it, you can do so by going to the Active Workshops button under the User menu. Note that closing the browser does not stop active computations. You will notice the green bar showing the actively running code still running. You may only have one active session at a time. If you open a new session, you will claim the old one. As you can see, the old session was disconnected. Throughout all of this, your code will continue to run in the cloud regardless of whether there is an active session or not. If you wish to receive a Smorgasbord certificate for completing a Bioconductor workshop, you must save your art history. You will find detailed instructions on how to do so on the home page. Going back to the old example, once you are done running the workshop, use the Save History command in the console to save your art history. You can then browse to the home directory in the Files pane, where you can select and export to then rename and download your file. We recommend you rename the file each time so that you do not overwrite them, as you will need one art history per tutorial. After downloading your art history, head to the certificate request form. You will need to sign in with a Google account in order to be able to upload a file in the form. If you do not have a Google account and cannot create one, please let us know, and we will find an alternative way to receive your art histories. You can communicate with us in Slack, via email, or on the support site. Once logged in, please fill out the simple form once per tutorial. Please use the same email with which you logged in to the Galaxy Workshop site. We recommend you fill out the form and upload your art history as soon as you are done with the tutorial, in order to avoid overwriting or otherwise losing the art history. Once you are done with the tutorial and have saved your art history in whatever other files you want, please head back to the Active Workshops tab under the User menu and stop your workshop. You may only have 2 workshops running at any given time. If you do not stop old workshops, you will not be able to launch new ones. All workshops will be automatically stopped 6 days after launch. Thank you for watching our intro video. We hope you enjoyed the event. Now head to one of these links to get started.